Welcome back to Dan and Sarah Makers. Today we're going to try and put felt down on our sheeting, even though it's raining.
It's not raining too bad. We've got the blue skies, as you see, installed already, so hopefully that will keep the sheeting dry. And let's see, we're gonna start at the ridge and work our way down, which is a little laborious, but with the steep roof and the small size of the roof and the access from different sides, it's just not worth trying to put chicken boards over the top of our brand new felt.
Yeah, so we'll tack the top edge and let it hang loose and then slide the next piece underneath. And since the roof is not very big, I mean, it's not as big as a normal house, we can cut the pieces to length on the ground and take them up there, slide them under the previous layer, and then tack that one down. So we'll be, you know, working our way down while we still have chicken boards, not putting holes in the felt, and hopefully creating a little safer working environment.
Yeah, just one word, the felt that we're using, it's specifically rated to go under both asphalt and metal roofing systems. So if you are doing a metal roof, make sure that the underlayment you do put down is rated for metal roof cover.
They are not all that way.
Not all of them are rated for metal roofs. The metal roofs can get so hot, depending on where you live, that it can just deteriorate and basically destroy the material underneath the roof or the metal roofing.
Ready?
Yep. Try and throw it over here, that way it goes over the ridge, and then if it doesn't go all the way, I can get to it easily. Sweet. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
We've got the backside now covered with felt. We're going to do our valley here first, and then again we're going to kind of work our way from the top down with our felt on this face. Depending on the weather and time, we'll see if we can jump to the other side and do that also. At a minimum, we need 14 feet. So we'll try to do more like 16 feet so we have a little lap over on both sides. On a roof this small and steep, trying to wrestle these rolls, even though they are a lot lighter than regular roofing felt, around up there, we're pre-cutting the pieces to length and then just pre-rolling them. So the nice thing about this felt is I know that I want about a 16-foot long piece, and these large dots are 12 inches apart, or 12 inches on center. So I'm just going to roll a small roll off the big roll, counting how many feet as I go. There's a 16-foot mark based on what I counted. A lot easier to move this than the other. You ready?
Ready.
Here we go. You like that?
Yeah. You can take up some if you like.
Okay. Here, I'll go this way.
Okay. I can't tell how far this chicken board goes.
Just stay there.
Okay.
Because I can move where I need to get this piece on. So we'll probably want the top already.
stand on the... I don't know where you want me to stand for this.
So go ahead and stand there for a minute.
Okay.
You. All right. I'm gonna go down towards the end.
Okay.
And I'll try and roll it out towards the end, and we'll establish a point there. Then I'll hopscotch over to that end and try and get that end tight, and then we can tack it in throughout the middle.
So be care that it's...
We need to go downhill. Just a smidge. How's this look over here, this corner?
That was a little low, but that's okay.
I'm gonna go up a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's good.
All right, I'm gonna try and get the tacker out. All right. Well, I'm like, all my weight's
This looks good to me. Do you want me to tack it or no?
Sure. If you think it looks good, go for it. Does that still look good here?
It can go a tad.
Up?
Yeah. Yeah, that was good.
Rain, rain, go away! Can we go my way?
Yeah, plenty. Okay, right there's about it.
Okay.
You could go another inch if you really wanted to.
I think we'll be okay.
Once again, it's like... Are you still happy on your overhang there?
Yeah, I've got maybe an inch. are done with our roof felt, the synthetic underlayment. So that's a good accomplishment for us. We don't have to put our blue skies back on. We jumped out here a few times between rainstorms, and it's now cold and getting dark and we're hungry. So we're gonna head in. So thanks again for joining us. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, all those good things. You can follow us on Instagram at Dan and Sarah Makers, and we hope these videos inspire you to get out there and do something. So until next time, have a great one. Bye-bye. All right, we're done. Roof slapped properly. It's cold, it's nasty. We're done. Let's go.
Yeah, no kidding.